What's good with it, fam? It's your boy B High back on the check-in, and hey man, I was scrolling through XXLmag.com when I came across an article by Leah Woods talking about Suge Knight's attorney takes a plea deal after being accused of bribing witnesses in Knight's murder trial. Now here's what's going on with it. Suge Knight's attorney is facing the consequences for his practices, and according to a report from KTLA on Wednesday, Matthew Fletcher, lawyer for the former Death Row Records owner, pleaded guilty in court yesterday on charges of conspiracy and perjury after prosecutors accused him of bribing witnesses so that they could provide mistruths for Suge Knight in his murder charges back in 2016. This has resulted in Fletcher's permanent disbarment from practicing law. Now, all of this came to the light after prosecutors obtained a warrant to listen in on jail calls between Suge Knight and his attorney in 2015. Prosecutors spoke on one particular conversation in which Fletcher found a man who would say weapons were found at the scene on the set of the 2015 film Straight Outta Compton, but the witness would need to be compensated. Fletcher allegedly told Suge that $25,000 was a fair investment to secure his freedom. Additionally, Fletcher was charged as an accessory after the fact in Suge Knight's case and could be on the hook for a separate bribery charge in connection to a testimony he gave at a disciplinary hearing with the State Bar of California in 2016. After a 2-month trial, jurors began to weigh in on Fletcher's charges earlier this week. However, a plea deal was put on the table where the soon-to-be former attorney would plead no contest to 1 count of conspiracy to obstruct justice and 1 count of perjury. He will still be on probation for 5 years and must resign from the State Bar for life. Failure to do so within 90 days could land him in jail as well. Now, Suge's other attorney, Thaddeus Culpepper, was hit with identical charges with 2 additional conspiracy charges. And according to the Los Angeles Times, both men have arraignment set for March 16th, and if convicted, they could face up to 3 years and 8 months in prison. Now, for those who don't know, Suge Knight's attorney's charges stem from Suge's fatal hit and run in the parking lot of Tam's Burgers on the set of the NWA biopic back in 2015. Authorities say Suge killed Terry Carter, a California businessman, and injured Clay Sloan, a security consultant, after running over both men in his F-150 Raptor pickup truck. In September of 2018, Suge was sentenced to 28 years behind bars after pleading no contest to voluntary manslaughter via a plea deal. He initially pleaded not guilty, claiming self-defense. And I'ma just sit it right there, man. That's crazy. I'll keep y'all updated, on what's really going on with that situation. But that's what it's looking like right now, man. Be High Radio shouted. More content on the way, more interviews on the way. I'll holler at y'all in a minute, man. I'm gone.